Well, we had the trailer hooked up to the team, and we are on our way to take, hopefully, if everything works out, to take possession of a new project build for the channel. So I'm happy to be able to bring this out, and we're going to go look at it. But before we do that, if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you guys stay posted when we drop videos, because we are going to definitely start a new series on this project build that we get for the channel. And if you're in the market for looking for a suspension kit or a leveling kit, shock, coilover, or shock components for your truck, go to skyjacker.com and use discount code WICKET_Fabz10 at checkout, and you'll receive additional savings off your order. So we're also happy that the channel is able to get that to you. But we're going to get on the road and we're going to discuss a little bit about the build and possibly what we're looking at, but it's going to be a surprise to you, so when we get there. But I'll see you while we're on the road. We are headed south for a couple hours because there was something that caught my eye, and something that we've been batting around a while that we've been wanting to do on the channel. Because, you know, we did this second gen Ram show truck. Well, now we're looking for another project vehicle, which I think will be good for the channel and give you guys something to watch and get another build onto the channel. But we are headed south to check this truck out, and it's a four-wheel drive and it's a first gen Ram. So, but the kicker behind this is that Jeff, aka the little guy, doesn't know we're coming down here to take a look at this. And if you guys know Jeff, he's from Jeff's Auto Body and Customs, where he does all my body work and stuff like that. But he doesn't know that we're coming down to look at this, so we take possession of this. We're gonna run this truck out to him probably in the next video and show you guys what the truck is that we're getting and surprise him with it. And I'm sure he's gonna have something to say about it. But if all works out well, we'll gain possession of the truck today, and I'll give you guys a little sneak peek at what it is that we were picking up and things like that. So I'm gonna let you guys hang out for a while we drive and get there, because we got a little way yet to go in front of us. So I'll see you all there. We made it to our destination, and behind you, I am looking at the new project truck, potentially. I got to meet with the owner and things like that, but we are in the middle of farm country, and I'm not going to disclose the location, but I'm just going to turn you guys a quick turnaround to look at the project truck, and then that way we're going to contact the owner, get her out here to meet us, go over a few things with it, and then hopefully we work everything out. But let me turn you guys around. We are looking at a first gen Ram W150. And what I can't believe is that it still has the hood ornament. So I'm going to meet up with the owner, and then if everything works out, we're going to take possession of our new project truck, of the W150. I don't know if we're going to name it yet or anything like that. Let me get back to you guys here in a little while so we can work out the details on taking possession of this. So hopefully everything works out well, and I'll see you in a little while. Well, y'all, we are back here at the W150, but let me turn it around and show you something real quick. Well, everything went smooth. We took possession of the '89 Dodge W150, so I'd like to thank Haley for helping us out in securing this vehicle for the channel. So, like I said, so we're going to get this all loaded up, and I'll see you on the ride home. We got the 1989 Dodge Ram W150 all loaded up, and we are headed back to our shop, and this is going to be a surprise for the little guy, aka body shop guy, body shop man, Jeff's Auto Body and Customs. He doesn't know we're going to be bringing this out, but we're going to be running late tonight, getting back to the shop, so we're probably just going to run this out to him tomorrow morning sometime. So, and once again, I would like to thank Haley for helping us secure the deal on her truck and getting things moving with our new project vehicle. Well, guys, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to smash on down that subscribe button so you guys don't miss the series that we're going to be doing on this truck. Well, until next time, I'm Joe, driving trucks and hunting bucks. It's how I roll it. Wicked fast!